$5 trillion economy. India's Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation has released new GDP estimates to provide a more accurate picture of the economy. Gross domestic product (GDP) represents the total market value of all final goods and services produced within India's borders and indicates the overall size and prosperity of the economy. Since economies change over time in terms of prices, consumption patterns, and production, GDP calculations are periodically revised. In the latest revision, 2022-23 has been adopted as the new base year for GDP calculations. Updated GDP figures for subsequent years have been released and earlier data will be revised accordingly. New GDP series and improvements in data quality. The National Statistics Office (NSO) has released a new GDP series to improve the accuracy of India's economic data. The revision incorporates richer data sources from both formal and informal sectors, updates the estimation methods, and addresses criticism of earlier GDP calculations. This new series is designed to better reflect the changing structure of the Indian economy. The new series uses GST data to improve quarterly GDP estimates. It also captures the informal sector more accurately through annual surveys of unincorporated enterprises. Additionally, the issue of double taxation in agriculture and manufacturing has been addressed, and several key economic ratios have been updated using recent studies. Key takeaways from the new GDP series. Revision in the size of the economy. The new GDP series released by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation shows that the size of India's economy is smaller than previously estimated. For example, 2022-23 GDP is now estimated at Rupee 261 lakh crore instead of the earlier estimate of Rupee 269 lakh crore. For the current financial year, GDP is estimated at Rupee 345 lakh crore compared to Rupee 357 lakh crore earlier. This downward revision changed several related economic indicators. Lower per capita income. Per capita income represents the average income of a person in a country calculated by dividing GDP by the population. Under the old estimate, the average annual income of an Indian in 2025-26 was about Rupee 2,51,393 rupees. Under the new estimates, it is Rupee 2,43,180 on roughly Rupee 20,000 to 265 per month. This shows that the average income level in India is lower than previously believed. India further from the $5 trillion target. The $5 trillion economic target is based on nominal GDP, which measures the value of goods and services of current market prices without adjusting for inflation. For international comparison, nominal GDP in rupees is converted into US dollar using the exchange rate. Effect of the new GDP series. Earlier estimates suggested that India's GDP in 2025-26 has crossed $4 trillion. However, two factors have changed this downward revision of nominal GDP and depreciation of the rupee against the US dollar. Assuming an exchange rate of 88 rupee per dollar, India's GDP is now estimated at around $3.9 trillion. As a result, India is now further away from the $5 trillion economic milestone than previously thought.